If you're planning to work or hire foreigners in Vietnam, a work permit isn't just a formality, it's a legal requirement, and getting it wrong could lead to fines, delays, or even deportation. That's where we come in. Vietnam is currently home to over 100,000 foreign workers, from tech experts and investors to teachers and engineers. But whether you're new or experienced, navigating work permit regulations can still be a challenge. So what exactly is a work permit in Vietnam? It's an official document issued by the Department of Internal Affairs, allowing foreign nationals to legally work in the country for up to 2 years. If you're working without one, or your employer skipped the process, both parties could face serious consequences, including administrative fines, visa cancellation, or forced business suspension. To legally work in Vietnam, you either need a valid work permit or qualify for a work permit exemption. Don't assume you're exempt, you need confirmation in writing. At LTS Law, we help businesses and individuals across Vietnam handle every part of the work permit or exemption process, quickly, correctly, and with full legal protection. Once the position is approved, we collect and prepare the foreign employee's documents, education, experience, health records, police clearance, and more, all translated and legalized. In total, the entire process from job approval to work permit issuance takes around 2 to 3 weeks if done right. Our clients benefit from real-time tracking and no guesswork. We've seen cases where delays cost businesses deals, expat staff got stuck abroad, or investors couldn't open bank accounts because permits were pending. Don't let paperwork hold you back. The most common reason for rejections: improperly legalized or mistranslated documents. Criminal records and diplomas must meet very specific formatting and language requirements. At LTS Law, we pre-check every document, guide you through authentication, and ensure all paperwork is DOF and MOHA compliant before anything is submitted. Once the permit is approved, the employer must sign a labor contract with the foreign employee and file it with the Department of Internal Affairs within 5 working days. We'll handle that too. A Vietnam work permit is valid for up to 2 years and may be renewed once. If your renewal is late or incorrect, you may have to start the process from scratch. Now let's talk about exemptions. If you're an investor listed on the company's ERC or a foreign expert transferred internally, you may qualify for a work permit exemption. In fact, over 80% of foreign investors could avoid a full work permit, but only if they apply for an official exemption certificate. This still requires paperwork and approval. Don't assume you're exempt just because you're a shareholder or executive. You need written confirmation from the Department of Internal Affairs, and that's something we handle for you. We've helped clients secure exemptions as investors, internal transferees, and even international volunteers, saving them time, cost, and unnecessary legal exposure. Without a permit or exemption, foreign nationals cannot register a residence card, open a personal bank account, or sponsor dependents. The permit is the foundation of legal life in Vietnam. Did you know that over 25% of companies are penalized every year for failing to submit work permit renewals or exemption reports on time? It's preventable with the right help. That's why our clients choose LTS Law. We offer full service tracking, bilingual communication, and real-time updates so nothing gets lost in translation. We also help foreign workers apply for temporary residence cards after receiving their permits, so they can stay in Vietnam long-term without constant visa renewals. Our legal support doesn't stop at paperwork. We help you draft labor contracts, register personal income tax, and enroll in mandatory insurance programs, all in one place. We've worked with professionals from over 50 countries, including the US, Korea, Germany, Singapore, and Australia, helping them legally work and live in Vietnam. With LTS Law, over 90% of our clients get their work permits approved on the first try. Because we don't cut corners, we cover all of them. Our pricing is transparent. We quote you up front, in English or Vietnamese, with no hidden fees, and will only charge you if we actually deliver the permit or exemption. Ready to get started? Visit lts.com.vn or book your free consultation with our legal team. LTS Law makes hiring and working in Vietnam simple, legal, and stress-free.